Open the gun safe. Open the iron sheet with a screwdriver, and open the safe with a key. Open the gun safe with the initial code 1234. How to set the fingerprint. Holding down the setting key for 3 seconds until you hear the DD sound, and the keyboard blinks 3 times. And the LED light is on, which means the new fingerprint password is set successfully. How to set the digital password. Holding down the setting key for 3 seconds until you hear the DD sound, and the keyboard blinks 3 times, and the LED light's on, which means the new digit password is set successfully. After setting, hold down the settings button, will hear DD sound, and the LED light off. It confirmed that the password has been set successfully. How to restore the factory settings. Holding down the settings button for 6 seconds. You will hear DD sound, which means the system has been restored successfully. How do I turn on and off alarms? Holding down the button for 3 seconds you will hear DD sound, which means the vibration alarm function has been set successfully. The vibration alarm will be alerted for 1 minute if the gun safe is moved. Once the vibration alarm is turned on, hold down the button to turn off the vibration alarm.